Hey YouTube, Wagwan, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to change the front strut on this Lexus ES300 right here. As you can see, the wheel is like camber in and turn out. So when I take off the tire, I will show you what bent, and then we just change the strut. I also got a complete strut assembly right here. So let's get started. So the first thing we're going to need to do is take out the back seat. And you're just going to have to hold it real hard and lift up on it from right here. So there's a hook there. So you want to push and lift at the same time. Do it just like that. Okay, you can see this hook down here. Then you pull forward, and once you pull forward, the whole seat will come out. And now we gotta take off this piece at the top, so we gotta look for whatever holding it down. So we have one right here, one over here, that's already loose, and one over here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm just gonna take out this one right here, this one right here, this one right here, and that one right there. I should be able to lift up and out. So we gotta take out these. So we need to unhook these clips right here. Slide the seatbelt through. So I was gonna you can pull the seat all the way forward and leave it if you want, but now that I pulled the seat forward, you can see these hooks, they really hook in here. So these hooks right here, hook in here, you have 3 of them, and you can just squeeze this in right here. I don't know if you can see it. Push it in and pull up on this and it will come up. And you can take off the seatbelt just like that. So you guys, you can see this right here that we pull them out and we slide the belt out. So that's what you're gonna need to do, and then we can slide the belt from around the seat, and then we can take the back part of the seat out, and that's gonna give you more room to get in there. But you probably can get it with the seat all the way over here. So we're gonna move this back here, and I have 3 12mm, which I already take loose. You can see them. It's on the top of the strut, and now we're gonna jack the car up. Alright, so now we jack the car up and we're gonna take the wheel off. So guys, what we're gonna need to do is take off everything that's touching the strut. Since we have the wheel off now, we need to take the sway bar link off, and also this right here that hold the ABS sensor and the brake line. And then we can take out these 2 bolts and nut for the strut. You can see that the sway bar link is pushing up, is because that side is down, so that's why it's doing that. So I'm gonna go ahead and jack up the other side, and it will be easy to take it out. As you can see, I'm pulling on it, it's not moving. So if you can leave a jack stand over here and just jack up the other side, that should help out a lot. Alright, so now that the other side is jacked up, is off the ground, look like this. You see how easy it is to take it out versus just now. So when you jack up the other wheel, you take the pressure off the sway bar link, because what the sway bar link is, stabilize the car, so it help if something happened to that side of the wheel, it kind of transfer the weight to kind of even out. So when you hit a bump on one wheel, it kind of even out with the sway bar link. So that's what it's there for. So now we need 19mm. That's a nut on this side right here, and also we have a socket on the other side. We'll take that out. So you can see we take out both sides. Now we need to take out the bolts, since we take off the nut already. Sometimes this will help. So now that we have this free, the next step is to loose the nuts on the inside. So you can see where it bent right here. So that's why the wheel is off. So we have the new strut right here. Just gotta line up the holes. So what we did, we just catch this right here, set back all three. Now it's time to put back everything you take out. So now you can see that we have the strut connect back to the spindle or the knuckle, and now it's time to connect back everything, tighten back up everything, connect back the sway bar link, connect back your ABS line and your brake line. So here's where you want to double check your car. Make sure everything is good. Make sure this is tight, that's tight, this tight, that's tight, that's tight right there. And also I pulled back the seat already, but I know those three nuts in there is tight. Make sure you hook it back down. So you got to go up first and then down. And now we got to catch back these right here, and we got to run these back in. Got to put the belt back like that. Lock that back just like that. All right. All right, guys. So now the interior is back together, and now it's time to put the wheel on, and that's it. So all right, please go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. Peace out, see you next time.